I was the youngest of 10 in a church-going family. I had such a great childhood. But the grass is always greener. I wanted to fit in with the cool kids. My long downward spiral began.
Sarah, open up. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Is there anybody here with me that testify of how good the Lord is? Won't He make a way? Won't He open doors and no man can close? Won't He close doors and no man can open?
Our Father, who art in heaven, we just give you all the thanks and all the glory for this food which you have given us. We all say amen.
Amen.
Let's dig in.
How quickly the devil sucked me in. I left one hell for another.
You got somebody else on the side already? Huh? You ready when I get back?
I really tried to clean myself up.
So, I just want to let you know that I love you. I truly love you. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Yes, of course I'll marry you. Of course. You have to come through.
For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not harm you. Plans to give you a hope and a future. For I know the plans I have for you. The devil no longer had a hold on me. As I walk now with Mike and God by my side, I give God the glory. I give God the praise. I thank you for the continually lift me up in prayer. In Jesus' name. It would take a miracle to get me out of the devil's grasp.